Good morning, as they say in the biz. This morning, everybody I think has heard of overnight oats, and this morning we are going to be making actually good morning oats with my little apprentice here, Leah, who is ready to chop. Now, when it comes to making good morning oats, the recipe is as simple as...
These are nice for me to cut some bananas.
Yep.
And some salads.
Oh, okay. So, in order to teach Leah how to cook, we bought her these set of knives. These knives I just found on Amazon, and they're about $10.
Because it's from Santa.
It's from Santa, and what I like about them is they are sharp enough to cut things, but generally sharp enough, not dull enough, I should say, to not cut yourself. So they're safe.
Don't cut yourself, Daddy.
Oh, I won't. I didn't. Thank you. So.
You just cut yourself like this.
Correct. So going back to the oats, the recipe is very simple. Quick oats, instant oats, equal parts by volume of oats to whatever your liquid's going to be. In this case, we are using almond milk. Almond milk is very healthy for you. This is an unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and I believe per cup it's 30 calories. So very healthy for you. You can use soy milk, you can use regular milk, whatever you'd like. If you're an adult that needs a fix of a boost of caffeine, you could use coffee if you wanted to. So, hey, pay attention. We're gonna need your help. So, other ingredients that we're adding in today's oats are...
And don't cut yourself.
And don't cut yourself. I have some raisins, some chocolate chips, some vanilla. I have some cinnamon, agave, and chia seeds. Chia seeds are very good for you, and they're actually full of healthy fats. So, and they absorb very quickly any kind of liquid. That was a good sneeze. Any kind of liquid that you apply to it. So, Leah, if you could, honey, can you start slicing the bananas for me? Just give me nice slices, okay? All right, hold your knife like this. There you go. Okay, and then remember your guide hand, okay?
Oh no.
Oh, I'll roll your seatbelt. Thank you. Uh-oh, leftover tattoos. All right. So go ahead, start cutting. Make me nice slices, okay? There you go. Good. Those are big slices. We might break those down a little bit. And while she's doing that, I'm just gonna mix my wet ingredients together, and I'll mix my dry ingredients together. So all I did was take the vanilla and the agave and mix those together. Can you keep cutting? Go ahead and cut them down smaller. Maybe grab a smaller knife. No thanks. She doesn't want to use the small knife because she's a pro. So I'm gonna start by adding my cinnamon and just mixing that in with the oats.
Daddy, I did it.
Good job. I'll add my chia seeds, add my raisins, and I will sprinkle chocolate chips in hers later. Other ingredients that you can add to this are blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, raspberries. You can add a little bit of cocoa powder if you want to. If you are looking for a little bit more protein, you could add almond butter. You could add a little bit of, oh, thank you, or even peanut butter. So after that, I'm just going to slice these guys up real quick. Hey Leah, can you start adding the bananas to me, to this?
Yep.
Thank you. Go ahead and start throwing them in. Add them in. And then what I'm gonna do is get these mixed up, and then I'm gonna throw it in the fridge for about 10 minutes, and you're ready. So, as you can see, it makes plenty, and this will last for a day or two.
Chocolate chips in, Daddy.
Oh, I'm gonna put yours chocolate chips in your bowl, okay?
Yep.
So, I'm just gonna mix this around and give it about 10 minutes in the fridge to absorb, and that's it. So again, it took about all of 3 minutes to make this, and hold on, It took about 3 minutes to make this, and it's very healthy for you. Low in fat until you add chocolate chips, but that's okay. You can add a little maple syrup if you like a little sweet. So just so many different things. But for a 1-to-1 ratio of oats to liquid, you can have a really quick, healthy, delicious breakfast. So thank you guys so much, and happy eating. Say bye, Leah. This is Nick Keck and Leah Marie Keck with HB at Home. Have a great day. Say bye.
Bye.